Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ishan Kesavani and I will show you today how to compare two strings using a C program. So let's start. First of all, I will be including the header file #include stdio.h and then I will define a main method int main. And now since I want to compare two strings, so I will be requiring two strings. So I will be using the character array char str1 which will be of size 100 and another character array is string 2 and that will also be of size 100. Now I will also be requiring another integer variable for to traverse through the end of the string. So int I, yes, and now I will require a variable flag variable int flag, and I will tell you why I am using the flag variable which is initialized to 0 initially. So what I will do is I will ask the users to enter the strings. So printf enter the first string, scanf percentage c comma address of str1. Now I will ask to enter the another string, enter the second string, scanf percentage c comma address of str2. Yes, now I will traverse till the end of the string. So first of all I need to convert these strings into the lowercase because the user might enter the strings in the uppercase, but I am ignoring the uppercase, so I will be converting these two strings into the lowercase. So for this I will be using a for loop for I0 I is less than str1 of I and until the end of the string is reached, so not equals to \0. Yes, and a semi I plus plus. So now what will I do is I will just convert this string into the lowercase. So how to do that? Just add the 32 because the difference between the uppercase and lowercase in ASCII is 32. So I will just add 32 str1 of I plus 32. Yes, now fine. Now similarly I will do this for the string 2 for I0 and I is less than str2 of I and not equals to \0 colon I plus plus. And here I will write the same thing for the string 2, so I will be just copying this whole and just paste it here. So str2 is equals to str2 of I plus 32. Yes, now it's fine. So now what will I do is I will compare the two strings. So the second string should be of equal length as of the first string. So I will again use this for loop only. So just I'm copying this and pasting it here and just removing this syntax, and instead of this I will be writing a if else condition. So if str1 of I is equals to str2 of I, then I will simply write a initialize the flag variable to the 1. Yes, now outside this loop, here is a mistake, but yes, outside this loop I will print the statement. So if flag, oh sorry, flag equals to 1, then simply I will write the statement printf the strings are equal, else printf the strings are not equal. Yes, that's all. Now I will compile this program and run it. So I'm getting some error, so let me check it out. What is the error? So I've given a wrong bracket here, and I should remove this. Yes, now I am compiling it again. Yes, it is asking me to enter a string, say instructors. Oh, it is not asking me to enter another string, so let me check out what is the problem. So I have given the wrong specifier. I should have given %s, and here I have written the wrong. So now let's compile and run it again, and then I'm entering a word hello, and again I will be entering the same word hello. So it is saying me that strings are equal. So let's check some other strings also. Say for example instructors, and in second string I will be writing anything, and it is saying giving me the output that strings are not equal. So you have seen it how easily we can compare the two strings in this using the C programming language. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more such programming videos.